Welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install n8n locally, set it up step by step, and build your very first AI-powered workflow. You don't need to be a developer, and you don't need any prior automation experience. Just follow along. Before installing n8n, open your browser and go to node.js.org. Click on Get Node.js. You can either download the installer or copy the install commands provided on the website. I'm using Mac OS, so I'll be using Terminal. If you're on Windows, you can use Command Prompt or PowerShell. Once installation is complete, open your terminal and type node-v and npm-v. If you see version numbers, Node.js and npm are installed correctly. Now we're ready to install n8n. In your terminal, type npm install g n8n. Press enter and let it install. This process may take 1 to 3 minutes. You might see warnings or depreciate messages during installation. Don't worry, that's completely normal. Just wait until the installation finishes. Once n8n is installed, there's one important step for macOS users, especially if you use Safari. Safari is stricter about cookies and security policies on localhost. To avoid login issues, run this command in your terminal. Export n8n underscore secure cookie equals false. If you're using Chrome, this step usually isn't required, but it's safe to run anyway. Now start n8n by typing n8n. You'll see a localhost URL, usually http://localhost:5678. Click on that link and it will open n8n in your browser. If this is your first time running n8n, you'll see a registration page. Enter your details and register. Now let's create your first workflow. On the n8n dashboard, click New Workflow. This opens the workflow editor. We'll start by adding a chat trigger. In the node search box, type chat and select chat trigger. This node listens for incoming messages and starts the workflow. Set an initial message. I'll keep it simple and type "Hi there." You can also add placeholders or custom fields if you want. Leave the execution settings as default for now. Once that's done, click Test Chat and send a message from the bottom left chat box. You should see the node execute successfully. Now let's add the AI agent. Click the plus icon and add AI agent. Once the AI agent node opens, go to Options and click Add Option. Select System Message. This is where you define what the AI agent should do. Here, you describe the role of the AI. For example, I'm going to instruct it to create a script for installing a tool. I'll define what the AI's role is, what context it should consider, what kind of output I want. There are many ways to structure this, and we'll cover advanced prompting in later videos. Now let's connect the AI model. For this demo, I'm using Gemini. You can also use OpenAI or Anthropic. You just need an API key. Add your credentials and save them. Once saved, n8n will test the connection. If everything is correct, you'll see connection tested successfully. Close the credentials panel. Set the minimum token count. I recommend around 1000 tokens for detailed responses. Save the node. Now let's test the workflow. Enter a topic in the chat input. For example, how to install n8n on Mac. Run the workflow. On the right-hand side, you'll see the AI-generated response. If it's too short or not detailed enough, simply refine your system message and test again. Once you're happy with the output, save your workflow. You can now publish it, share it, or expand it by adding more nodes, like email, Slack, databases, or webhooks. Just remember one important thing. Always remove your API keys before sharing workflows publicly.